Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Ubisoft Connect launcher not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to go through a number of fixes and start with the most common fix first. So the first fix is to restart Ubisoft Connect properly. So we need to open up Task Manager, so right click on your Windows key, click on the Task Manager. Then from here, under processes, find anything related to Ubisoft and go ahead and click on end task for all of them, and then reopen up Ubisoft Connect. So go find Ubisoft Connect, right click it, and then run it as administrator. Now the next fix is to check Ubisoft server status. So if the launcher won't load or if it stays stuck, Ubisoft servers might be down. So basically go ahead and go to a Google or Yahoo or whatever and type in Ubisoft server status or check Ubisoft server status, and now click on one of the first top links here. And now if there are outages, there is nothing you can do, you just simply need to wait it out. Now the next fix is to go ahead and clear Ubisoft Connect cache. So this is very effective. So we need to close Ubisoft Connect completely, and then on your keyboard click on your Windows key plus R, and that little run command is going to appear like so. Then from here we need to put some code in. So that code is local app data with % either side. Click on OK. Then from there open up the game launcher folder. So go down to Ubisoft Game Launcher folder and delete the case folder. So just go ahead and click on delete, restart Ubisoft Connect. Now if we got any VPNs, proxies or ad blockers running in the background, Ubisoft Connect does not like these VPNs. So turn off VPNs, disable proxy settings, and then also temporarily disable DNS blockers. So this can be AdGuard, Pi-hole, etc. Now there are a couple more fixes to finish off. So this is inside of settings. So click in the settings. Now once we're inside settings, we need to check our time and language. Click on date and time, and then on the right hand side, make sure set time zone is set to automatically, and also set time automatically. If these are disabled, you're probably going to have other issues on your PC that you've probably noticed. Now while we're inside settings, on the left hand side, click into Windows Update, and then go ahead and check for updates. If there are any updates, go ahead, download and install them, restart your PC.